Hello everyone, this is DIY Group 21. We have made portable plant watering system and the group consists of Abhishek Chaudhary, Adimullah Rajesh, Gaurav Narendra Ramteke, that is me, and Ranjan Kumar Maji. So now I will be showing how our Tinkercad model looks. So this is our Tinkercad model. We are actually controlling the external circuit consisting of pump powered by 9-volt battery and controlled by our microprocessor and relay. Basically, we close the external circuit when the moisture sensor and here the temperature sensor, as Tinkercad does not have moisture sensor, gives us the signal. So what our code looks like, as we can see, the temperature, whenever the temperature will go up or greater than 40, the external circuit will turn on. So let's start the simulation. Yeah, so as we have seen, so as we can see, the temperature is 54 and the motor is running, and when it gets low 25 it will turn off and again it will turn on. We can also make this model 2 in which everything is similar, but in the external circuit the power given to the pump is controlled, or we can say adjusted, by the help of potentiometer. So as we can see, when the temperature is same, you can see it's started when the temperature is greater than 40, and we can control it. Like you can see, the speed of fan is changing. So this is our model. We tried to make it very portable so that you can just have to carry the bottle, keep it in neighborhood of the pot, and everything is ready. So this is relay converting low voltage to high voltage connected to the pump, and the relay is connected to the microprocessor. The microprocessor will turn the relay on only when the moisture sensor connected to it will give it a signal. As you can see, it is inside the soil and the soil is moist. Whenever the soil will be dry, so it will just give the signal and moisture sensor will give signal and the pump will start. Everything here is powered by 9 volt of battery, either it is relay, that is the pump, or the microprocessor. So we will start our demonstration now. So as we can see, it's inside, soil is moist, no water is coming from the outlet, but when I will just pluck it out, it will give signal to just start the water. And the pump is turned on and we can see that the water is coming, and when I just put it again inside the I can say wet soil, it stopped. I will just take it one more time. Yeah. So it's the motor is on now and the soil is wet, and yeah, thank you.